Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm making peanut butter cookies. My daughter gave me this recipe years ago and I happen to think it's one of the best. I worked in a healthcare facility for 36 years and for the last 20 years, this was our go-to recipe for this type of cookie. I've made thousands of peanut butter cookies and I'm going to make a few more today. They're fun to make, they're delicious, and most of all, easy. And I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. Now, the first thing I have is 1/2 cup of butter. I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 whole egg, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 1/4 cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I have a bowl and I'm going to add my room temperature butter to my bowl. I will then add my brown sugar, and after that I'm going to add my white sugar. Then I will add my egg, and I'm going to mix everything together. I'm just going to use an egg beater, you can use whatever works for you. And then I'm going to add my peanut butter and continue to mix. And then after I whip everything together, I'm going to add my flour. And then I'll add my baking soda. And I'm going to add a sprinkle of salt. This is up to you, this is just optional, you don't need to do this, but I'm going to add a sprinkle of salt. And then I'm going to continue to mix everything together. When all the ingredients are completely mixed together, I'm going to portion them onto a baking sheet using an ice cream scoop. Once they're all on a baking sheet, I'm going to flatten them out with a fork. I'm going to place them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350, and I'm going to keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn or overcook. So they're in the oven, now we wait. Okay, so the cookies are out of the oven. They're in there for about 17 minutes. I took them out about a minute or two early just to make sure they didn't get too dark and too hard. The whole kitchen smells amazing, it smells like peanut butter, and I've got my cookie lifter and I can't wait to sample one. So here we go. Nice and warm. Soft and chewy. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. Wow, that's good. Perfect. That's a good peanut butter cookie. Well, there it is, my friends. Peanut butter cookies made easy. Until we eat again, I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Cheers.
Wow.
Hi, me again. Today when I made peanut butter cookies, I used crunchy peanut butter. But of course you can use smooth peanut butter, either one works fine. I also used a combination of white sugar and brown sugar, but using all brown sugar will actually give you a softer, chewier cookie. And if you want to jazz your cookies up a little bit, add a couple tablespoons of coconut and some almonds. And to keep your cookies nice and soft and chewy, take them out of the oven just a minute or two early and let them cool on a proper cooling rack. This will prevent them from getting too hard and too crispy, unless of course you want them that way. And these cookies freeze very well. As a matter of fact, the dough freezes very well too. Cooking can be difficult, but doesn't have to be. So go ahead, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anyone. So go ahead, have fun, keep on cooking, and bon appetit, my friends.